Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am blessed again with Happy Mail. I cannot believe the generosity in this community, this doll community on YouTube. This is from Evergreen Art Dolls. Oh, 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 oh. There's a card in here. Oh, Evelina, do you know how hard it is to look at this first? Happy Mail. Gosh, I love Happy Mail. It is amazing what friendships are made in this community. If you just reach out to others in the comments and just chat, it's not a big deal, and then friendships evolve. Go to the doll shows, look for other YouTube creators. That's wonderful. Do we not love this? Evelina, we used to have the wolf calendar every year and wolf blankets, the whole bit. Love that. Hey Marta, I received a couple copies of this cute troll coffee table book to review on my channel. One to keep and one to share. I thought since you have a big love for troll dolls, let me stop there. If you don't know, I kind of rival the troll hole for how many trolls I have. I do not have them out and displayed right now, or I'd show them to you, but I do have a lot. They got put away for some other things. Since you have a big love for the troll doll, you would be the perfect recipient for the second copy. The authors are so sweet, and it'd be awesome if you could share your thoughts on their book. Peace, love, and blessings, Evelina. Evelina is a sweetheart. This is not the first Happy Mail I have received from her. Oh my God. Troll Town. In the 1960s, I was in grade school. Well, grade school and junior high. And I absolutely remember when the damn troll became very popular. My mother did not care for them, so I did not have many. I got them for like birthday gifts from, you know how you have birthday parties when you're in grade school, and I would get them for that. And I don't know, my mom kept all my dolls. I have so many dolls from my childhood, but no trolls. Isn't that funny? They are just, are these not the coolest photos? They are just a simple, fun, silly, I love them. I just absolutely love troll dolls. I'm trying to give you a flip through here. I know I'm going quick, but if you see one you like, stop it. Oh, here's the author, Lisa Marie Lopez. Oh, I love trolls. We used to make them clothing out of, well, anything, but socks. Oh yeah, the two-headed troll. That was such a big deal when they came out. And then later on, they started coming out with clothes, and in the, I think it was the 80s, the Rust Troll came out, and they came out with outfits, a lot of holiday outfits. The Wishnicks came out. They were so popular. Darren, you have the bull, not the giraffe, right?
Correct, the bull.
We went to a garage sale. Tell your story.
We were just here at a garage sale here in Boonville, and I was digging through a pile of old, well, they really weren't old toys, just small toys. They'd put it in a big box, and in there in the bottom were 3 old damn trolls, including the cow, all for less than $1 a piece.
Didn't you get all 3 for like $1?
Yeah, it was a heck of it. It doesn't matter if I paid $1. I don't remember exactly what I ended up paying, but even at $1, they were a bargain.
Yeah.
I love that cow.
I do too, and they're hard to find, and they're very expensive on eBay. Thank you so much, Evelina. And I wanted to say, a lot of the mothers and grandmothers back in the 60s would crochet little outfits for the little nude dolls. Love these, love this book. It's really going to be fun to sit down with. I cannot thank you enough, Evelina. This was just over the top. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by Evelina's channel. She's an incredible artist. She makes silicone dolls of all sorts, and really amazing. Her link will be in my title. just link over there. And another thing you can do for everybody today is when you go to a doll channel and you're watching, and we all do it, we read the comments as we go. All down those comments, leave a like, 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 leave a like at the top, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. That really helps each channel, and especially the smaller channels, they can get up, you know, into the algorithm that way, and it's just a nice thing to do. This is my channel logo. Actually, it's the sister too. I mailed the actual Firebird, it was her name. This is Phoenix, and I mailed the Firebird to my granddaughter Phoenix shortly after we had taken the picture. And yes, I did crochet the outfits you see on the trolls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.